So now we'll study about the quality management. Okay. So in this we'll be going to study software quality, software standards, reviews and inspections, and measurement and metrics. How you'll be going to measure the product. Okay. What are the metrics that you'll be going to use it, and how you'll be going to review that particular software. How you'll be going to make the inspections on that. Those things. What are the standards that you'll be going to use? Which standard that product is being developed? What is the quality of the product? Okay. How do you estimate, or how do you say that this is a good quality product? Okay. So quality management deals with the three principles. First is organization level, second is project level, third is project level. Okay, third is also the project level. So now here, organization level, the quality of the product is going to be, management is going to concentrate only on the establishment, framework and standards. These three will be there in that, because they have to provide the establishment of the product. Okay, so organization is going to be there. Then frameworks they have to give it. Then only the standards, which standard that product is going to work, quality is going to be measured based on that basically. Then the project level, in the project, how the quality is going to be measured. In quality management, it has specific quality processes are going to be there. Okay, so given process, these are the standard functionalities are going to be there. With this, that is going to be get measured. That is being planned, and according to that only it should be get executed. It is nothing but the program will be given, that the module will be given. Within that stipulated time, the product should be get delivered, or milestones have been met. Okay, with the proper infrastructure, proper way of writing, okay, and coding and all these things, they should be done, and testing is also going to be done. So those things are going to be met. So the quality of that can be judged based on that. When you be going to write any programs, the errors should not occur. Again this is one more constraint, that it should follow the SRS. In the SRS, whatever that it is being given, that should be get executed properly. Okay. Then the establishing of the quality plan for the project. Okay. So here you're going to set some goals for the project, and those goals are going to be met. Those goals are nothing but the milestones that they have to meet with the standards. Okay. What are those standards? Let us see those things also. Okay. So what are the activities? That is the same, it continues over here. It provides the management, provides the independent check of the software development process. So every system that whatever that it is going to be present, that it is going to have the milestones and all these things. The check is going to be made every goals. If it is going to be met, then the check is going to be made whether it is going to work properly or not. Those goals, whether it is going to meet or not. Those things that it is going to be done. So in this particular task, the managers, or we can say that testing team, that they will be going to ensure that these things are going to be met, and it is going to be ready for the deliverable. Okay, delivery of the product, that they can give the assurance. So these activities that they will want to follow. Now you see this particular product management, how it is development is going to be done in the software. Software development process starts development 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, quality management process. First is which standard that project is running. Okay. Then quality plan, whether they are going to have a plan or not. Quality reviews reports, whether they will be going to have it or not. So it's nothing but what? When the project is going to start, the development team is going to execute the development one. So they'll be going to do that particular task. Then the quality plan is being executed, and whether they're going to follow these things are not, the given tasks are not within the time period, whether they have completed or not, okay, with the proper input and output, it is they'll be going to get the outputs or not, those things will be checked, and within a stipulated time. That is very important thing. And then after, reviews are going to be taken, reports are going to be considered. It's nothing but every week the report is going to be taken from the deliverable things. So then every product is going to be monitored continuously and reports are going to be taken. So this is what the quality of the product. Why we are going to say that quality of the management or products is nothing but when the products are going to be given for the development, then every week, every month, okay, every half quarterly, okay, half yearly, the products are going to be reviewed and communication is going to be established between the management and the team leaders and managers. All these people are going to sit and they will going to discuss, and every reports are going to get generated with that. So then only they will come to know that whether the process is continuously it is going continuously it is working or not, properly it is flowing or not. Those things are going to be checked in this. Okay. Okay. In the quality planning, that we will be discussing about the quality plan, how it is going to set the product qualities. Okay. Some attributes are going to be there. Those things are going to be set for the quality. So whether this quality is going to be met or not. So that is nothing but assessment process is going to be done. Next is whether according to that, okay, set attributes, whether it is applied in the by those standards in our product or not. That also it is going to be get reviewed. This is what the plan that they will be going to make it the quality planning. It consists of plan structure. Quality consists of plan structure. It includes the product introduction, product plans, product descriptions, quality goals, risks and risk management. It means to say that any quality plan structure consists these 5 points. That is product introduction. The product, it should be described in the proper manner, it should be understood, and the way in which the introduction will be given for that product should be properly executed by the plans. So if once they can understand the introduction of the product, they can able to plan that particular product, how that it is going to get progressed, and the descriptions about the functionalities in the product. It is nothing but different modules. It has been already distributed, okay, broken down into number of modules, the main product. So individual modules, how that what are the description about those things, that it should be described properly. What is the functionality of those things, what should be the, what will be the input and what will be the output, that should be described properly. That is a description it should be given. Then you will going to give the goals for each and every modules. Okay. Then those goals, whether that is going to be meets or not, those things are going to be checked first. Okay. So how we will be going to check this goals? By using the milestones as well as the deliverables. Finally, the risks and risk management. So any product that they will be going to develop, any projects, okay, always the risks are going to be there in that. How will you be going to override those risks by using some management skills that you will be going to override it. It is nothing but when a project is going on, okay, ongoing project is going to be there, some of that teammates that they are going to leave the organization, then the project should not get stopped over there. So what we should do, so we should continue. To make it continue, the workload of that particular person, Okay, that should be